Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a word that's all around us, literally. Our word of the day is color. Color is an A1 level noun meaning appearance or shade of an object. It's one of the first words we learn as children, and it remains fundamental to our understanding of the world. Think about it. Without color, everything would be a monotonous gray. Color allows us to differentiate objects, express ourselves creatively, and even experience emotions. Now, let's break down what color truly means. Simply put, color refers to the visual perception of different wavelengths of light. Our eyes and brains work together to interpret these wavelengths as specific hues like red, blue, green, yellow, and so on. It's the property possessed by an object of producing different sensations on the eye as a result of the way the object reflects or emits light. In everyday language, we use color to describe anything that has a specific hue. For example, the sky is blue, or the flowers are a vibrant red. We also use color figuratively to describe things that add interest or excitement to life. For instance, someone might say, "That story added color to the conversation." Now, let's explore some synonyms for color. One synonym is hue. We can say, "The painting featured a beautiful hue of orange." Another synonym is shade. For example, "This shade of green is perfect for the living room." A third synonym is tint. The photograph had a sepia tint. You can see that each synonym carries a slightly different nuance, but they all relate to the visual perception of color. Let's move on to antonyms, words with opposite meanings. The most obvious antonym for color is black and white. We can say, "The old film was in black and white." Another antonym, in a more figurative sense, is monotony. For example, "The job was filled with monotony, lacking any color or excitement." Or dullness. "The dullness of the room was depressing. It needed some color to liven it up." As you can see, these antonyms highlight the absence of color and the vibrancy it brings. Now, how can you use color in everyday life? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can talk about the color of your clothes, the color of your car, or the color of the food you're eating. You can also use it to describe someone's personality. For instance, you might say someone is a colorful character if they have a unique and interesting personality. Think about common expressions like seeing red when someone is angry or feeling blue when someone is sad. These expressions all use color to convey emotions. Here are some usage examples of color in sentences and phrases. What's your favorite color? The artist used a wide range of colors in the painting. The leaves changed color in the fall. The rainbow displayed a spectrum of colors. The team wore their team colors with pride. She added some color to her hair. He has a colorful vocabulary. The cake was decorated with bright colors. The room was painted a calming color. They discussed the political color of the candidate. In conclusion, color is a fundamental word that describes the visual appearance of objects. We explored its definition, synonyms like hue, shade, and tint, and antonyms like black and white, monotony, and dullness. We also discussed how to use color in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on this colorful journey. Now, for our call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn about the wonderful world of words. And don't forget, I would love to see your own example sentences using the word color. Share your creative sentences in the comments section below. Until next time, keep exploring the world, one word at a time.